Hey guys, welcome to the altcoin of the day. That is an icon with the ticker symbol ICX. It's trading around 32 dollar cents and is ranked number 40. And you see the market is rebounding again from the lows of the recent weeks. And ICX is quite a good performer. As we can see, there was a buy signal actually generated on 27th of January. And with a big boom 15 towards more than 60, 4 times higher. Now retracing a little bit on a weekly basis, there is the trade navigator, and there's a buy signal still, and we have to wait for the re-entry. At least the blue line, the shorter moving averages above the longer moving averages of the purple line. And when we take a look at the daily chart, there we see also that the market is a little bit retracing. We have to wait for a new buy signal. However, for the very short term, we are still bullish, and that is quite okay. After a test of the support zone of around 30 cents, moving up again, so that is very promising for the mid-term to short term. I think it's a buying opportunity. ICX, I would like to buy that for our swing trading portfolio, and for the 50 bucks, there's more or less the amount of sizes we take. So 50 bucks that it is, and with a stop loss, a tight stop loss below 27 cents, we can take a look for an upside potential towards 45 cents, or even maybe 60 if you're lucky, if the market is and staying strong. So with a profit risk reward ratio, so it means more or less 5 towards 12 is more than 1 to 2 risk reward, so that is quite okay. And that is the first target of 45 cents, and that must be no problem, I think, for the shorter term on the daily basis, albeit there is a very big resistance area in that zone. So the first take would be 45 cents as target. If you would like to see more crypto trades from my side, from Crypto Academy, go to our website cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista. Bye.